Yeah, welcome back to my new video. This is again going to be another session on AI with n8n and our favorite LLM Gemini Flash 2.5. So this is the overall workflow design. If you see, when user prompts for AI agent to generate a Ansible playbook, to take particular action, it will generate a playbook and ask for user confirmation if it is fine. If user says fine, it will upload that to GitHub, and another call to execution node will be made, and that will download that playbook and execute the playbook that was generated. Okay, and the playbook will be dynamically generated, and it will have this name schema that we have mentioned in the system message. I will show you that as well. So this is the our idea. So you may be asking that there's a similar video I did earlier. In that case, I was executing a, predefined playbook, and I was asking AI agent to execute that playbook, right? But in this demo, everything is dynamic. Even the playbook creation is also dynamic. Let's see. Okay, generate a playbook to find the disk usage of my root file system and execute it. So I'm asking is to generate a playbook to find the disk usage of my root file system and then execute it. So it will ask for OS type and server name. Let's give me OS. I have one VM that is Ubuntu VM, and server name is server 2. I gave it OS and that thing server name. Okay, so it generated playbook. So this is a simple playbook. Let's yeah. It is asking whether it meets our requirement. It does. So if it is not, we can ask it to define. So since it meets our requirement, we are happy. So let's say yes. Okay. So now it should be start generating this YAML file and upload to GitHub. Let's see if it does that. Okay, it has done that. We can see there is a playbook generated. We can open and see also. Okay, this is the same code that we saw. Now it will start executing. Okay, it has executed that. So it is saying the playbook executed successfully. It ran so that command and on server 2 and returned the disk usage. So this is the disk usage coming out of my VM. That is server 2 in this case. Okay, so it is also giving explanation. The root file system on server 2 has a size of this much with 18 GB usage and 5.2 GB available and 78% utilized. So this is coming from the Ansible, and this is the explanation generated by the AI, because that is how I asked it to explain the outcome of the Ansible command. Okay, so if you see, I will show you that in my system message, where you can set this in AI agent. If you go to AI agent in system message, you can set that. Okay. So if you see in the output, I've asked to summarize also. Okay, return execution output, return both verbose output that is coming from this run playbook tool, and also generate a summary of what playbook did. So this is exactly what it did, right? It is, this is the verbose output coming from the Ansible server, and this is the explanation of entire thing. So for this will help both technical non-technical user. If you are a non-technical user, this makes sense, right? Root file system on server has this much size and this much is used, and this is the percent of utilization. And for a DevOps person, this will make sense, right? Your code ran, and this is what it happened, right? and uh, and you can see that here this is the code that ran against that. Okay, so this way we can ask it to generate a playbook on the go for anything and ask it to execute if the playbook we are satisfied with the playbook. Okay, so this way we can do intelligent automation where we don't have to write any code. Without writing any code, your AI system will be taking care of everything. So this is this can be termed as intelligent infrastructure automation. You see, the workflow is simple. So trigger source is our chat, and in AI agent we have chat model, that is our Gemini chat model. You can refer my previous video. And simple memory is to hold the user context. The bigger the context, the more longer session can be accommodated, right? So at the moment I have set 5 because I'm running on Docker, right? So it has limited capability. And these two are my these two are my tools. One is to upload to this upload underscore playbook is what I'm using to upload it to GitHub. So you can see, and this is basically HTTP node, and I'm making a REST API call to upload the YAML file to my GitHub repo, and this is the execute node, and this is where it will be pulling the code from GitHub and executing the code. Okay, so all right, I hope you might have found it useful, and if you liked it, please like, subscribe, and share, and please do leave your comment. Thanks for watching. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you.